Let's get to cooking some of these because it's enough to get the seafood at your doorstep, but then what should we do with it? So I say we jump right in, Mark. Yeah?
Let's do it.
Let's make some stuffed Maine lobster tails.
This is a 5 to 6 ounce lobster tail.
Okay.
It's good size,
Pretty standard.
right? So what I'm doing here is I'm going to actually take the lobster tail meat out. And then so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this because I'm actually going to cook it in here. So then we're just going to cut up the lobster meat a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of stuffing and I'm actually just going to mix it all together. And then because our secret seasoning is awesome on everything, you don't mind if I use my hands a little bit?
I don't mind if you use your hands. I will taste it anyway.
So then you just stuff it all back in to the lobster shell. And then what you could do here if you want, right, and to make it even more savory, drizzle a little bit of butter on top and plop it in the oven.
Stuffed Maine lobster tail. How good does that look, folks?